So finally starting with the actual tutorial. I know that the introductory video might have been a bit difficult to start with, but it's totally fine, as with progress you will get it. Also, I've changed this camera setup over here so that you get a better view for a better understanding. Starting with the first chapter, forming the daisy. However, first let's understand what the individual pieces are called. The piece at the center shown over here is called the centerpiece. It has only one color. The pieces at the edge are called as edge pieces and they consist of two colors. Whereas at last, these corner pieces over here, I'm showing this, the corner pieces over here have three colors: the yellow one, the blue one, the red one. So recapping again, the main pieces, this is the center one, has only one color. The edge piece, four edge pieces over here: yellow green, yellow red, yellow blue, and yellow orange. And at last, four corner pieces: yellow red green, yellow red blue, yellow orange blue, and yellow orange green. Each color has one centerpiece, four corner pieces, four edge pieces. Now on to the daisy. First I'll have to shuffle this cube a bit so that I can start with forming the daisy. I'll shuffle it a bit more so that you can have a more clear understanding. Yes, so I've shuffled it completely. And once again, I'd like to recap the previous video, as some of you might not have completely understood it. So I think this is a better perspective to explain. This is my right hand over here and this is the right face. So this is a better perspective. Now this over here, this face is on my right hand and hence it's the right face, denoted by letter R. Turning it clockwise, now what we do usually and in most cases, we take it over here which faces my face and then I turn it in a clockwise fashion. This is the right face, but I'm facing it towards myself so that I can turn it in a clockwise fashion. Likewise, if I have to turn the left face clockwise, that is L, then I'll turn the left face towards myself. I'll do a clockwise turn. That's an L. Similarly, a U up face will be turning clockwise facing me. That's the U turn. And the F with a clockwise fashion. Similar for their counterparts R dash, L dash, F dash, and U dash. Now coming on to the daisy at last. For daisy, you have the yellow centerpiece and then four white pieces over here. So they resemble a daisy which has a white bud in the middle and four white petals. Now find a white piece and bring it near the yellow center. We already have one white piece over here, but there are remaining three petals, that is three pieces, three edge pieces of the white color that should assemble here to form a daisy. Now we'll find them. So I have one edge piece over here. Remember that each color has four edge pieces. So I have one edge piece over here. So the second one is this. Okay, let's find other edge pieces. I have another one over here. We have three, and searching for the last one. He is not here, so we'll look down. Yeah, we have found him. He's here. So once you find all the edge pieces, there's an algorithm for this particular step wherein the white is to be placed over here. So in short, the blue and the white have to be swapped so that we get the white petal over here. So coming on to the daisy, we have the alternate petal over here and we have to keep it at our right. So first we'll do an R dash. Keeping it at the right, we'll do an R dash, which is an anti-clockwise right move. R dash. Second is U. So we'll do a U and then followed by the last step, F dash, front in an anti-clockwise manner, and F dash. And there you have it. These pieces have now been swapped. Similarly, now we'll find the rest of the pieces and try to match them. Again, we have a swappable algorithm over here. Apply that swappable algorithm and these pieces will be swapped. So what I'll do, I'll again take this white piece onto the right and I'll first perform an R dash. So you don't have to again and again face it in the front and perform and then again keep on the right. as you go on with practice, you'll automatically perform an R dash like this. But since you all are beginners, I'll show you like this. So here's an R dash, then followed by a U, and finally an F dash. There you go again. These pieces have now been swapped. 3 petals out of our 4 petals have now formed, and we are nearing our daisy. And we'll search for the last one. So yes, the last one is over here. Now what we can possibly do is we'll also apply some logic over here. So I have to bring this piece over here. So maybe I can rotate this one until it comes here, and then I'll put it here. So I have a swappable condition again. So sometimes you have to apply logic and find the nearest and easiest route to come there. If you get an alternate pattern, apply the algorithm. So do with me, R dash, U, and F dash. There you go. The daisy has been formed, and congratulations on completing the first step of solving your Rubik's Cube. This is me, Daryl, and I'll continue with the next chapter following the white cross. Thank you.